AI is evolving, and it's coming for jobs. This AI just launched, and it's already doing things that humans used to do. It's fast, powerful, and shockingly good. But what does that mean for you? Let's see what this AI can do. Feature 1. AI creates videos from text. This AI can turn a simple text prompt into a realistic video. No cameras, no actors, just type, and it generates everything. This could change content creation forever. Feature 2. AI writes better than humans. It can write full blogs, news articles, and even scripts in seconds. Some companies are already replacing human writers with AI. But is AI truly better? Or just faster? AI versus humans. Who wins? I gave AI and a human the same task. The results? Shocking. The AI version was faster, cheaper, and almost identical. Could AI replace your job next? Revolving light jobs at risk. Here are the jobs most at risk from AI. Checkmark video editors, checkmark copywriters, customer support, junior developers, even some managers. Are you safe, or is AI coming for your career? Final thoughts, good or bad? AI is powerful, but is it a threat or an opportunity? Tell me in the comments. Are you excited or scared? Subscribe for more AI updates.